So after that first set of welds on the front side, I always mark, okay, so this used to be a weld here. So now I'm going to weld from here about 4 inches, right there. Same thing here. That last weld stopped right there. So I'm going to weld from here 4 inches. Same thing all the way along. Okay, and I'll flip it back over, do the same thing, back and forth. I like putting the bucket at this angle now on the horses. Okay, so you can really get in there. And I'm going to fill that void right in. That's going to look nothing like that when I'm done. It'll be full.